Welcome to the eSpark Tools Spotlight series. In this video, we will be reviewing the Quest Tracker. eSpark's Quest Tracker shows student performance on standards completed from the Student Adaptive Learning Pathway, or QUEST. You can filter by ELA or math, and you can even analyze one domain or standard at a time. Let's take a look at what this looks like in the teacher dashboard. You can find the Quest Tracker report in the left side toolbar underneath the Student Reports drop-down menu. The eSpark Quest Tracker can be filtered by reading or math, domain, and grade level that your students are currently working at. Right now we are reviewing this report at a 4th grade level with 8 students actively working in their adaptive pathway on these skills. Across the top here, we have the categories for how we sort your students based on their progress. Scrolling down, you can see a quick overview of the standard that your student is working on with the standard code there as well. You can also see a quick class average of student progress in this specific standard. As we look vertically at this report, we are able to quickly see groupings of how my students are progressing in RL 4.1 inferences using evidence. Here I can see that these students from Barb to Caesar are really in the not even approaching category. So this is a great way for me to see small groups of students that I can intervene with eSpark assignments or to pull them for teacher-led small group instruction. I also have a group of students that are approaching mastery from Barry to Fran here that could do with some additional support. Horizontally, you can see individual student progress as they progress through this grade level of standard and whether they move up a grade level or down a grade level in their adaptive pathway based on their progress and their mastery. Some strategies you can use with the Quest Tracker is you can identify low performing standards and create an eSpark assignment for extra practice. You can also use it to plan content for small group instruction, whether using an eSpark assignment to support or using that time for teacher-led remediation and intervention. You can use it to determine focus standards before your next state or standardized testing, and use it to compare during grade level or PLC meetings with additional students in the grade level that are using eSpark. Additionally, the data that is found in the Quest Tracker is what helps drive the differentiation feature of Nova, our AI-powered teacher assistant. So this is a great way to know exactly where your students are at and help Nova to find that level for each individual student. Thanks so much for watching this video on the eSpark Quest Tracker. Happy eSparking!